So today we're looking at doing a hive inspection where we open the hive and look for eggs. I can try and find the queen if she's around, but most importantly I'm looking that she's actively laying eggs in the cells.
We have constructed a platform that holds 4 beehives up on the roof of Building 5.
You know, at the beginning of the project, it was really more about infrastructure, getting 4 hives up on the roof. How do we get up on the roof? How do we make sure our staff are safe on the roof? How are we going to harvest it, and what are we going to use it for? It's been extremely engaging. I think one thing that it has done is brought a lot of attention to our project, because there's something about bees that just people love and they want to hear more about, and I love that too.
We recognize there's a lot of people that have small gardens, there's community gardens that grow food, and we want to be able to help the healthy pollinator population in the urban downtown core. I also think it's really important to reconnect students with their food system. So we've positioned the beehives outside of 3 classrooms so that there's really easy viewing opportunities for tours. We do at least weekly beekeeping tours to keep the community, not only the community of MacEwan, but the surrounding community involved with this initiative.
The benefit to urban beekeeping is that your season is typically longer and more diverse. It's longer in that it can start earlier as soon as any of the variety of flowers in the area are out and about, and it'll typically extend longer because the colder weather doesn't quite hit the city quite as hard. And the other benefit is that there is a lot more pollen around, different types of pollen. So in your rural honey, in your commercialized honey, there might be 50 different types of pollen, but in an urban honey, the testing that they've done, they usually just find about 250 types of pollen in that type of honey. The food sustainability is an important factor in this project for MacEwan, and I feel honored to be able to help them with that, and to have the students and parents and everyone be aware that there are bees and they're important for pollination, that we can do something about it. It means a lot. It's nice to be able to say MacEwan's doing their part to encourage that and communicate that out.